How to turn on or turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off sensitive content on your Twitter account. So first of all, go to your Twitter app. Now once you've opened your Twitter app, on the top right corner of your screen you can see a little star icon, so simply tap on it. And now tap on View Content Preferences. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap the second option under Explore, which is Search Settings. As you can see, there is an option Hide Sensitive Content. So if this is toggled on, it will hide all potentially sensitive content. But if you untoggle this, you'll be able to view sensitive content on your Twitter page as well. So that is basically how you turn on or turn off sensitive content on your Twitter. But if this option isn't here, what you can do is go to your browser and then go to twitter.com. After that, sign into your Twitter account on your browser, and then you will see the star icon here for sure. And now you can simply turn on or turn off sensitive content from here. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.